First, go to ChatGPT and choose the custom GPT. Search about micro camera animals, and use this GPT. Click on it and click Start. Now this GPTs give me a 20 video animal idea. Let's choose one. I choose the number one, and now you copy the first prompt for generate the image. Let's copy the first prompt and go to Grok AI. It's for free. This Grok AI, choose the image generated. Click here and paste the prompts here and click generate. When the image is completed, choose one you like it. Let's choose the first one. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompts. Choose the video generated, paste the prompts and click generate.